So let's get a check on the weather right now with Jason Michael. Jason, it's kind of cold. We got a little more snow than I thought today. I had to go out there with a snow blower, but what's next for the weather department?
Oh, I will. I think kind of cold is actually an understatement because we've had frigid temperatures out there. Feels like temperatures have been in the single digits, bottoming out in the lower teens all across the area today. So here's a look at what we can expect for the rest of the night. You can see your temperatures falling off to near single digits overnight tonight. That feels like, as I said before with the wind chill, definitely going to be feeling like the single digits here and then rising to the upper teens as we go throughout the morning hours. Here's the setup, what's happening right now, because the snow showers that we had today were not out of the question. We picked up a couple inches out towards North Olmsted by friends over there, and also along the Shaker Heights and even Cleveland Heights, University Heights area as well, 2 to 4 inches accumulating today. This is mainly a lake effect snow event. You can see where we're pulling in the trough that is bringing in these cold temperatures in the air, but also a very warm lake right now. And I use warm very loosely. It's about 32, 33 degrees right now, much warmer than the air temperatures. You can see there as we move a little bit closer there, we do have some condensing that's happening along the windward side of the Appalachia right now, causing quite a snow stir there. But back in towards northeast Ohio, you can see Cuyahoga County, Lake Geauga County, picking up some of those lake effect snow showers. And we took a peek at our CSU cam earlier this evening, and we definitely saw some whiteout conditions. Erie, Huron, Lorain, even Medina County under that winter weather advisory at least until about midnight tonight, and then tomorrow morning that is allowed to kind of roll off across the area. As we make our way through the overnight hours and early hours for tomorrow, we'll be slowly trying to rebound in our temperatures. Wind speeds right now fairly calm in some parts, about 5 to 7, maybe even 8 miles per hour in other areas there. Surface temperatures in the mid to low teens. It feels like temperatures there in the teens. You can see Elyria, also Cuyahoga County, 14 right now. Feels like 8 degrees in Akron, Canton, 6 in Worcester, and for our friends over in Mansfield, 13 to 6 down in Akron, New Philadelphia, and also Dover. Regional temperatures right now all reflecting this deep trough extending south across the region, even down into Jackson, Mississippi, near the freezing mark down there, and even over towards Atlanta. You're feeling like the mid to upper 30s as well there as well. Your National Designer hour by hour forecast, we rid ourselves of some of that moisture, mainly in the snow chance region, and then we allow things to kind of quiet down for our Valentine's Day. Despite being a very cold start to our Monday, temperatures rebound into the 20s. Eventually we get some more sunshine moving back in here, and I think Tuesday we'll make our way towards a mainly sunny sky. The weather pattern is changing across the region. We have a trough in place right now. That begins to move towards the west, and we likely have a ridge building out in our region here. That is a reminiscent system like we had in December, where we had a above average temperature stretch in December. That's what we're likely to have this week as well. So we're going to see that happening over the next several days here, even until next week, where we start to get that cold pattern, warmer pattern, cold pattern, and then warmer pattern again. This is your National Design Mart as we look in the days ahead here. So we rid ourselves of that snow shower tonight. Towards tomorrow, we start to rebound in our temperatures, 20 giving way to 30s and eventually moving to the 40s and also 50s. As that happens, though, we start to work in more moisture. Southerly flow brings rain showers, switching over to a little bit of a mixed precipitation. By Thursday, we switch over all to snow. That lingers through the evening hours and head towards the evening and nighttime hours. We start to rid ourselves of that as well. We're just left with some flurries by the time we get to Friday morning. Here's your Union Home Mortgage 7-day. Okay, so starting out in the low teens for tomorrow, 20s for highs, 30s for highs, lots of sunshine by Tuesday, cloudy and windy. 50s expected by Wednesday heading into Thursday, but temperatures will fall behind the front. It's going to be very cold, though, by Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Looks like it's going to be an excellent all-star weekend. But, of course, we go back into that reminiscent pattern yet again, guys.
Yeah. I blame the groundhog.
Hey, at least sunshine, you know, right? Sunshine makes everything better.
Everything better. Underline it, bold.
Thanks, Jason.